Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix this file came from another computer and might be blocked to help protect this computer. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on start. Now type group policy. Click on edit group policy. Now in here guys, you expand underneath user configuration administrative templates. So double click on it. Now in here expand Windows components. Now in Windows components, double click on attachment manager. Now here guys, double click on do not preserve zone information in file attachments. Now guys, this window will open. Now here select enabled. Now click on apply and click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, by the simple and easy steps we can fix and resolve this issue. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not. And guys, if you don't have group policy editor in your laptop or PC, so check description video. I will show you how to fix this issue using registry editor. Thanks for watching.